Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the start page in AOL Mail. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is sign into your AOL Mail client and select the settings button up at the top right. And then you want to go down and select where it says More Settings. And now on the left side, select Appearance, and then on the right or center, I guess, just scroll down where it says underneath Start Page When Signing In. You can select either the Today on AOL or directly to your inbox. So we're going to just select Inbox on there, and that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.